Racing our GT3 cars in Zolder Belgium, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another great Monster Hobbies race night. My name is Trevor Selescu and of course I am the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Tonight we get to race on Zolder out in Belgium. Took me the whole day to build this track, and if you want to learn how to build it, go check it out on our Patreon account. Now I built it before on Patreon, so I just have to scroll down the page until you can find it, but it is a cool one. And when you're on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And now without further ado, let's go down to the races and race one of these great GT3 cars. If you think you know which one I'm gonna race, write it in the comments below. If not, well, let's go down to the races. So it's just me and Josh tonight because no one else came. Everybody had stuff to do. There's my wife Julie, daughter Rosie and Day in the spot. We're all worried about camera angles. Keeping the tip. 24 laps, 4-1, 2 minutes remaining.
Okay.
Moving the little camera and mom's waking up. You waking up, mom's sweats? Four laps, minute remaining.
That's scary. Like you can hear the noise
seconds. 4-1. Oh. No pole position.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we got 46 laps. Josh and then me. Here we are at the end of the race, and there's only two of us, me and Josh. Howard couldn't make it, and Kevin couldn't make it either. So I got 39 points and Josh got 51. Let's go see how that affected the standings. Here's our standings for the race. Josh is still first with 117 points. And Howard and I have switched places. I am now in second place with 73 and Howard has 52. Well, I hope you had just as much fun watching this video as we did racing it. And of course it was another great race for our GT3 cars. Next week I'm going to tear this whole thing up into little pieces and reassemble it as Monza, Italy. So I hope you will be there when we race that one. And don't forget again to check out our Patreon account if you want to know how to build Zolder. I will personally teach you. Just go to Patreon. And before we go, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that every time I upload a brand new video, you are the first to see it. And until next time, ciao bello!